It's the sound of the slums, drama with drums. You pop shots with the corks, cause a problem for some. Got the whole city up, floating with the semi-tuck, roaming out of zone, and I'm known in the gritty cuts. In a woo, killer beat, Code D, dumping off broad day, no mag, so you know it's me. Notice me, I shine like July sun. Live son, I'm a rider fit for by one. Show the cream, I bust and blow the scene in a fast car, kicking up dust and smoke screen. Hit a nigga hard as Joe Green, his whole team feel it. Swollen veins, the dope fiend feeling. Coming out the mouth like you won't be dealings. Yeah, you sold 3 million, but you banned on the block. Long guns to your face, past the mansion and yacht. And you ain't retaliate, man, you ran to the cop.
Darkness, spark this, total chaos, mark this in the harness. Nothing could save us, all that is sacred. Dilly departed, brave heart, slave vein contains something courageous. Salute shining armor, persona rip stages. Live is Nirvana, beneath the golden ages. The road rats explode, no render that devour. Don't cry for being proud, drunk on the power, the power.
All gangsters and fellow MCs we now meet. The threat is now an actual fact, and that's the least. The lion paw ripping your jaw, dismantle face piece. You may not have heard or seen. My murder one team, some things best untold. Crime related, I am who I am, so fuck it if son stuck it. We all laid a plate of the best. Sip the fine grace, my rugged lifestyle to survive. I don't apologize, hustle is the road I chose. There's no compromising when the guns is drawn. Shots fired, son, all my killers is fam. Nothing higher, y'all faggot niggas wired for sound. Before the things blast, wait for the train to pass. Man face down, we straight from the murder capital town. It goes down daily on the regular. Dressed in assassin attire, the bulletproof rap. Strap up with the bomb to his body, ain't no coming back.